In this short tutorial video, I am going to show you how to connect Stripe to your Review Trust account. First, log in to your Review Trust account. In the sidebar menu, click on the Account Settings. Scroll down below into the Shopping Cart section and click Add New Account. Enter a name for the account. On the Vendor drop-down, choose Stripe. At the right side, a field will show for your API key. Log in to your Stripe dashboard. In the top right links, click on the Developers link. Click on the API Keys tab. Click Create Secret Key. Choose Building Your Own Integration, and click Create Secret Key. Stripe will ask for SMS verification. Fill up the text code from the text received and click Continue. Enter a name for the secret key. Click Create. Copy the generated secret key. Go back to your Review Trust page. Paste the secret key to the live secret key field. Click Save. An API URL will be generated. Copy the API URL. Go back to your Stripe Developers page. Click on Webhooks tab. Click Add Endpoint. Paste the API URL you copied from Review Trust. Click Select Events. Look for Payment Intent. Click it to expand. Check Payment Intent Succeeded. Click Add Events. On the Versions drop-down, make sure to choose the 2020 version. Click Add Endpoint to save. Go back to your Review Trust page. On sidebar, click Campaigns, then Create Campaign. Choose Product Campaign. Enter your campaign's information. On the Shopping Carts drop-down, choose Stripe, then on the right side, a drop-down for all your Stripe accounts will show. Select the account and proceed with all the campaign information. Click Save Campaign and you are done.